Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And today I have a couple of reveals for you. One from Fashionphile. And then I picked up a couple items at Coach. I was just going to show you because you're like my besties. And whenever I get something, I have to show you. So I picked up from the outlet just this notebook. It's kind of a pink soft leather. And then these just, you know, open up to the Coach notebook inside.
Is that a handy dandy notebook?
Yeah, it's a handy dandy notebook. It should be what Blue's Clues color green. Yeah. Then I also picked up a wallet because we know I like orange, and so I figured this would go with an awful lot of things that I own right now. So I just picked up this. It's a nice little compact wallet. It has spots for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card slots.
So you'd only need 3 or 4 wallets with all your cards.
And dollars can go in there. And then the zips around here too. So you could put actually more cards in here as opposed to like coins. Stop giggling. All right, so then I got that. And then I got this. I wanted something in this kind of neon yellowy green. Sorry, it's 100 degrees here in Wisconsin. I don't know why. It's September. It shouldn't be 100 degrees, but it is, and I'm hot. So I really wanted something from this.
Yes, you are.
Right. I really wanted something that this was kind of this neon green color. And none of the bags really spoke to me, but I always like a little pochette or wristlet. So I got this silver hardware, which I love. And it just opens up to a big open space and then 2 card slots. The interior is just a fabric lining. So I got that. Love the silver hardware. And then this one. I still can't believe I got this. I'm just going to show you. It's a tiny bag. What is that? TBE, tiny bag energy. But it was just so cute. Okay, it's got like this little, you know, lobster claw. Is that what that's called? And then a key ring here. And it zips. And then you can open up and put stuff inside. I don't know how much stuff, but like...
It could be carry your pills.
Right. Pills, or if I had AirPods, they could go in there. So it's just got like this jacquard here and then leather here. And it's just this handy dandy little purse.
Oh, Lord.
I love it for like a bag charm. I'm not big on bag charms, but I don't know. Something about this one just like spoke to me. The pretty gold hardware and...
Baby bag.
Yeah, I got that. Okay. Then from Fashionphile. This is not from Coach. I'm going to say this was influenced by Dawn Loves Couture because I have been thinking about getting this bag for years. Actually, when I got my Speedy, I thought about getting this bag instead, if that gives anybody a big hint. I have been noticing the price on these have been pretty decent, especially for leather versus canvas. It's from Louis Vuitton. And then Dawn showed hers in her least used summer bags, and my excitement about it was opened back up again. I started looking at, oh my gosh, really decent prices on these, cheaper than canvas, and I don't have any bag in this color, nor did I have this bag. So I picked up the Louis Vuitton Alma in the epi leather. It's just got that, like you could play the leather. It's got feet on the bottom. It's got a leather bottom, soft leather, and then the top here's epi. Comes with a little clochette with some keys in it, which is really interesting since it does not have a lock. So I suppose I could put a lock on it. Oh wait, I lied. It does so have a lock, Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. This is especially bad since I already opened it.
Must be the heat.
Yeah, that's right. You're so good. Silver hardware, which I absolutely adore. I like the 2 zippers. It opens up to a suede or microfiber lining. It has an adjustable, removable shoulder strap. There's 1 pocket inside. And yeah, I've wanted this bag clearly for a long time because I've had my Speedy for quite a while, and I just never pulled the trigger on it, and I couldn't decide what to get. I think I was leaning towards Damier Ebene because it had the black leather, and then I wouldn't have worried about getting dirty like you may have to worry about with Monogram. And then all of a sudden I started seeing these prices on the Epi leathers, and I'm like, I am sold. Man, I am just in love with this lock now that I noticed that it's there. Oh, yeah, something shiny. So yeah, I got this. I always think these are interesting because the way that the straps go on is a little bit different. Yeah, like I know the way the straps go on. Like, I believe you put it here maybe, and here. So, like this. Just think that's interesting to me. And one of the things I wanted to show is how much it compares to the Coach Rebel, I think it's called, because I have one, and I wondered myself, like, how similar or different were they. So here they are, my beautiful Wizard of Oz one. So I would say that they're very similar bags. Just gonna put, their measurements have got to be almost spot on the same.
Wizard of Oz might be a little bit longer.
Really? Okay. Yeah. And then here's the sides, the backs, the bottom. Both have feet.
Looks like the new one has a wider base because it's all about that base.
True. And then this one doesn't have 2 zippers. The Coach bag only has 1 zipper, which clearly isn't as smooth as the Louis Vuitton. But it has a removable, adjustable strap. The strap is definitely thinner on the Coach. It has 1 slip pocket, 1 big pocket, 1 smaller pocket. I try to show you, but it's black. You're probably not going to see anything. So, I mean, if you are looking for something that could possibly scratch the itch, this would be a nice alternative. The Coach one does have a tiny little pocket in the back that the Alma doesn't have, but this didn't scratch the itch for me because I bought this bag to keep, not use. Put it up. It's on display, so to speak, in my craft room, which is also my Wizard of Oz room, and so I knew I was never going to use this, so it didn't scratch the itch, just in case the guy behind the camera or anybody's wondering. But I just think this is gorgeous. I can't believe I've never had a red bag before. The only thing I have that's red, I guess I have had one, if you want to count this little strawberry, but it's so tiny that I think I've used it once. I guess this Portland Leather Goods is kind of red, but this is just a beautiful red. Just to give a little bit of the measurements, I brought my handy dandy tape measure here, just in case others were wondering. So the bottom base on this is, what would you say, just almost 9 inches across? I mean, from side to side. The width at the bottom, and keep in mind it gets much smaller as you go to the top, is probably about 4 inches. You can tell better here. Oh, wow. That's like almost 4 1/4. Height is 7 inches.
7.
And you could hand carry it. I mean, I definitely don't have a small arm, and it fits up there almost to my elbow, not quite, but well, I could, so I don't have to wear like a tight bracelet, but so yeah, this is my latest bag. I'm super excited about it. I'm kind of wondering why it took me so long to get a red bag, because this is pretty awesome. So I got that. The other thing I was just going to do is, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And if you're subscribing and would like to enter my giveaway, please do so. Giving away 10 different items. The items are listed in the description box below. In order to enter, you have to be subscribed, and just in the comments write the word enter, and then like your Instagram handle or Facebook or email, something so that I can get a hold of you. But you just write the word enter and your state. You can leave other comments. In fact, I prefer you leave additional comments because I love interacting with everybody. But I said what I would do is I am going to, each week, I will read the names of the people that I do have down for the drawing so that you know that I got your name and it's going to be in there. Everybody's going to have their name written on a sheet like this. I'm going to cut them in strips. The man behind the camera is going to do the drawing. And also, we've decided his first time showing up, he is going to do an unboxing. I bought him what I would consider luxury item for our 25th wedding anniversary. So he is going to unbox that for everybody. And that, I believe, will be this next weekend, like Saturday. So
I'm busy.
You are. Whatever. You have been chomping at the bit to be on here. So pretty soon it'll be like, what they say, I'm Mick and this is my shtick.
Yep.
But the people that I do have entered so far are Cammie's Closet, Jack's Bag Attack, Pumpkin's Corner, Cheryl Santoro, The Girl and Pugs Next Door, Manila, A.K.
It's hard when you can't read your own
It's
writing.
probably Monica, I.C., sorry, from Florida, if that helps. I'm terrible. Alinda, P7719, Diane 574, Sunflower Camp, NNM 3935, Pixie Buddha, Kyle Wolford 2185, Alicia's Corner, Robin Massey, Jennifer V63, Brittany 36, Elise Charlotte, Red Rocker Mom, Dante 9218, Irene Crafts, and Kaylee Carroll. So that's who I all have entered so far. Again, these will be cut up and put into a bowl bag and will be drawn. The drawing will be on September 21st. So you only need to enter once. If you... What?
Isn't it the 23rd?
Is it the 23rd? Sunday? 6th?
Well, today's the 4th.
Today's the 4th.
I thought you said it was a Saturday, so 3 weeks from this past Saturday would be the 23rd.
The drawing's on the 23rd.
Uh-huh.
He's so helpful to have around.
Uh-huh.
Sorry about that. The drawing will be on the 23rd. I will be taking names up until noon on the 23rd. But each video, I'll give a list of the names of people who have entered since my last video. So you don't have to enter every video. You only have to enter once. But
you can only enter once.
And just so you know that I got it, I'll read it in the next upcoming video. So if you don't hear your name, you can always get a hold of me down in the comments. Make sure that I have you. But otherwise, this is the first go-round of people that are entered. Again, I can't say thank you enough for this. I really, really appreciate it. It's been awesome, and I can't wait to get to my next 1,000. It's really been awesome getting to know everybody a little bit in the comments, and love when you leave me comments. Appreciate it. I appreciate you watching, of course. Can't wait to reveal the guy behind the camera. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. I do that every time, like it helps you if I draw a line. It's not a dash, it's a line. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.